from afar. Hello, guys. So, earlier today, I got this thing working where I have two entry fields. This going to be labeled price for a poop. And when this one here is binded to an action in the view model, and then I successfully concatenated or appended two lab properties of that model into a collection or like in a grid. So, um, reading this XAML is like it's not natural to me because I'm more of a HTML, CSS type of guy because I'm a web developer. But this one here is still readable, just needs to like practice more. And there's a lot of like tags. I'm not sure what these are called in MAUI or this tag. Like this is an XML tag, I think. Is it a tag? Yeah, I think it's a tag. So here, this is a vertical stack layout. Then you just put some entry fields there. We got a button, and then we got this collection tag where it has a template here for the data, and then this is the data template, and this grid here is for just for the layout of this. Just we're just trying to lay out the data. Okay, so that's it. And then the item source is this one here, the poops. So this is defined in the view model. So we have a pattern called view, a model, view, and view model, MVVM. So yeah. So here in the model, our model here is this very plain class, C sharp class. It doesn't do anything. It's just for like holding some property or values, just for holding values. So it's like a this could be like a transport or I don't know. So this is the model, and then they have this concept of view model where seems like it's a controller. Um, if you're going to like associate or is it associate it to like model view controller? So model view model. So instead of controller, this is the view model here. So it has the properties that we can bind to the view, and we have actions that we can bind to the view. So it's like the model of our view. Okay, and our view is this XAML here. It's a dumb content page. So this content page will um, will inject that view model, the functionalities. So I'm wondering how, like if I'm going to start a new Angular application and then do the, I would like to use the model view model um, in the architecture of my Angular, and yeah, I will try that. So do that and then apply some NGRX. So yeah, so that it will be hard for normal or like those developers that just want to have work and will not making this architecture doesn't really matter. Your customers, your users like it because you're using MVVM, or you're just using just like dumb architecture. What the customer really wants is a fast, no bug, um, always full of feature application. So yeah, adding like architectural burden so that your colleagues will like look up on you. It's not really the goal here. Unless if that architecture will make your developer's life easier. But if it will just show off how hard people can understand you because you're so smart, and yeah, I think that's not the way to go. Okay, so here I do have the to do. Okay, so we'll create a new one just for practice, and then I can go back to sleep. All right, so first we're going to like maybe a car. Okay, so we'll create a model for a car. So car. Have to make this quick. Uh, I'll try to do this in hopefully just 20 minutes. Okay, car. Then your car. String. Brand. Okay, that will be a single, or we can also add decimal. Um, price for your car. And then after that, we are going to create a view model for that model that we created. And the view model will still be a simple C# class, but it will implement some um, this. It will implement observable object so that this car will be cool, so it will not be boring anymore, right? And then that's it. Um, we're then going to create a controller there. So that is the no controller constructor. And then we're going to add this relay here, relay command. We're going to relay a command here. This is like going to add, and then it will interact. So we'll just uh, for simplicity, we're going to create this one without additional properties that we'll need to bind to our um, view. And then next is we're going to create pages here, right? Pages or views. Let's just do views because we have model, view, and view model. So it's appropriate that we'll just put it on a view. Okay, and then this one here is going to be a MAUI content page. So we'll select that MAUI content page, and we'll call this car page. So that is our view, the car page. And then next is we're going to register our page. Is it going to be the page? Yeah, here. We're going to register the page and the view model, the car. So that's going to be a car page. And then this one here is a car view model. All right, car page. All right. So car page, yep, okay. We are going to register that. And then we're going to inject our car view model here. Car view model. right? So this is the view model, and then the context here. Is it context? Will be this one here. Is it context or something else? Binding context. Yeah, binding context. Okay, so that's it. Um, okay, and then next is this one here, the class. We're going to update the XAML, the XML of yeah XAML of the car page. We're going to assign the XML namespace for view model, and that is going to be the view model for this is going to be in here. And then next is we're going to get the local. I believe that's it. Then local, I think like that. Um, I'm not sure really. I'm not really sure. Let's go to our poop. Where's our poop here? Yeah, this one here. Okay, so the namespace is one like this. We just need to yeah. This one here is the namespace for the local. Okay, and then what other things that we need? Yeah, the title and then data type. I'm not sure yet what's this data type is for. But yeah, let's try this car view model. So I think this is for IntelliSense or I don't know. Yeah, the class, the data type. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what that is for now. So this is a vertical stack, and we can yeah we'll update this to this one here is the cars, and then this one here will come to car page. Okay, something like that, and then we'll run this, see if everything works. But nope, sorry, we need to add the navigation for it. So here is a fly by item. This is like a sidebar. So this we're going to add cars and then cars in here, then car page in here. Okay, so uh, and one thing that I notice is when I do like the OBS recording and then I build, it's very slow for Maui. And let's check on the yeah, see here it's like it can't perform that. That's why I need more power. More power. I don't know if there's like another way to do it. Um, do the recording on a separate computer. I don't know if that is possible. Let's go. Damn, I think I'll just pause so that we can continue on building this. Because we have this one here. Okay, let's try to pause. Oh, I think it's already building. It's about to start the application. because it's done building project. And it's at FFU and in it you. Let it be someday. Let's go, man. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So it's now deploying. Hopefully, it gets deployed now. And it be is it be was not found. What's that? What are these logs? Found device emulator. Yeah, you found it. Just install our app on it. Go, let's go. Come on. Yeah, so maybe after this video here, maybe if I have some spare time, I'm going to create an Angular app. Oh, it's launching now. I'm going to create an Angular app where there we can use concept of MVVM, yeah, because seems pretty smooth um doing this. So before I have I have I got a chance, if it's a chance. So I worked with a very oh, there's our car here, a very big Angular project, and yeah, the our controller or our component is like have thousands of codes in it. So it's like, yeah, that's crap. So so why is it still poop? We're supposed to be in the cars already. Why is it? Oh, hold on. It's here. Why is it poop when we are in the car? Let's go to the shell and our cars here. Car page. Maybe because why? Up shell. It's car page, and then it should our car page is here. And this one is its class car page. View our page type is this one here. Uh, and in our program we register this. Let's do another run again. So why why is it that thinks that what we press um, cannot resolve? Oh, okay. Why? Because you need um, why can't you resolve it? Because you need this. Yeah. So so apparently it can't find if we put it on a view. So let's try putting it outside. Right, so car page is now outside. Let's check if there are any changes in there. Rebuild. Ananapio. Alright. Let's go, let's go, let's go. It failed. So the namespace here should just be mobile, just like the rest of it. So here it's just mobile. This one here is mobile. So, and then it's now can't understand what's going on now. Alright. For this one here, class is this. Still having issues. Give me the error. Okay, so remove this. Happy something. Happy something. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, sorry if you lost me there. I did something here. Need to pee. Alright, cool. So let's go to our car. Yeah, we have a car now. Go to poop. We have a poop. We have a car here. And then now let's begin adding the entry. Like here, can put entry and then another entry here. This one here is for the brand placeholder brand text. This is going to bind somewhere. A placeholder here is maybe 0 or maybe, yeah, maybe 10,000. And then the text here will bind to somewhere in the view model. And in here we have the button here, and then the command. Is it the command? Yeah, command will be like add command, and that is going to bind to add here to some action in the view model. So let's see if that is what we did before. Right, yeah, binding. Oh, command, then you will need to add binding. Command, then it'll be like that. Binding. You always have to do binding when you want to bind it somewhere, like in the view model. So binding here is the price, and then binding here is the brand. And then we're going to, we already put this in our view model, but we need to add this brand and price here. So let's go to our view model. Let's add this public. Is it public or string? Brand. The brand here is a small, um, what's that? Small, begins with a small letter. And this is automatically handled by the observable object using the community toolkit. And then we're going to add this one here, the observable property. So these things are now observable, and this one here is also observable. And then we're going to add some things. Why is it not getting recognized? Um, is it this one here? Or I'll just copy and paste all of this to our car. And nope, what's wrong? Alright, so let's open this one here so that we can compare. Observable property. Okay, so doesn't have a public thing, doesn't like that. And this one here, yeah, it's not a property, it's a field. Sorry. So it's a field, so property. Okay, so I think, okay, so we have that. And if we click this, we can check for the um, can we console that? Can we console right line, the brand, and the price here? Let's check if we can console that log the price. Someday, someday, boom, 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 when my life has passed me by, lay around and wonder why you were always there for me. Someday, doom, doom, doom. Okay, let's watch the output if it's going to give us brand. So in here we're going to put Ferrari, then price is 320,000 dollars. See, did he give us? Yep, it's there. Ferrari, $320,000. Okay, so I believe we don't have to keep on pressing this stop here because it will hot reload. So next is we're going to add cars here. Oh no, cars. But I think I think you need to add this one here first. The observable collection of car. Then you're gonna name it cars, and then same with brand and price. You're gonna put observable property here, and then there will be cars in here. Then it will be initialized with a new collection of car, right? And then you can add something to the add what we had here, then add it to the cars. So cars that cars that add new car. Then the brand is the brand, and then the price is the price. Okay, so this one here needs to be a decimal. Okay. Someday. And then what we can do next is just maybe just copy and paste this entire thing. It will be quick. Go to our cars, and then go here. Is there like a divider, like an HR? But yeah, I don't know. Let's just do it for now. Let's do this for now. So instead of poops here, I'm going to put cars here. So this cars here is in this is this one here, the cars. And then this the local is the car. This is the type of our collection. Um, yeah, this one here, type. And then this one here is going to be the brand, right? The brand and the price. And that's it. Let's go. Let's go back here. Add. Okay, it's still. Yeah, I think we need to reload or refresh, maybe at least. Someday. So it should be quicker than the first time we failed to load assembly. First time we we press run. Hot reload. Yeah, it's already a hot reload. Okay, let's go. For now we're gonna put Lamborghini. This is the correct spelling. Like $300,000. All right, then. Oh, there you go. Next is GT, maybe around $100,000. All right, that's it. We have a working view view model, and yeah, just some exercise, guys, because maybe one of these days people will ask you to build them. Like you can just do it over the weekend, then you have something to use so that you can buy food, right? Yeah, that's the most important thing. We need to do things so that we can buy food. All right. So yeah, that's it, guys. Hopefully that exercise there has also will also be able to help you understand model view model um in Maui, and I'll try to add model view model also in a great Angular apps. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, cool. Thanks. Bye.